Happy New Year. For those of you who had, well, let's just say, too much of a good time last night and woke up with a bit of a hangover, let me share a couple of remedies that might make you feel better. First of all, drink lots of water, which will help rehydrate you. And if you add honey and lemon to the water, all the better. You see, the lemon rebalances your body and helps fight queasiness, while the honey, which contains fructose, helps metabolize your blood sugar. Also, eat some burnt toast with no butter, because the last thing your body needs is grease. Plus, the toast may help filter out impurities, similar to that of a carbon water filter. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, for those of you who are looking to make this year a prosperous one, I suggest making a pot of Hoppin John with stuff you probably have on hand. Legend has it that eating Hoppin John on New Year's Day will bring you a whole year of prosperity. Whether it does or doesn't, it can't hurt, and it's the perfect fill-you-up meal for this time of year. Between the chunks of smoky ham, all the beans and veggies, and the flavor-packed broth, you can't miss. To get the shortcut recipe for our Good Luck Hoppin John, all you need to do is check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a prosperous way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.